We'll guide you through how to use Claude Bot on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and visit the Claude Bot website. Once you are on the homepage, you'll see an option to sign UP or log in at the top right corner. If you already have an account, click log in and enter your credentials. If not, click Sign UP and fill in the necessary details to create your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard where you can start interacting with Claude Bot. To ask a question or start a conversation, you'll notice a chat box at the bottom of the screen. Click on it, type in your query or message, and press Enter. Claude Bot is designed to understand natural language, so feel free to ask in your own words. If you want Claude to perform a specific task, like setting a reminder or giving you a weather update, simply type those requests. The bot will respond with the necessary information or perform the task as instructed. You can also access the settings by clicking on your profile icon at the top right. Here, you can customize your preferences, such as notification settings or connecting Claude with other apps for enhanced functionality. Additionally, if you ever need help, there's a Help button on the dashboard that provides FAQs and support options. Remember, the more you interact with Claude Bot, the better it gets at understanding your preferences and providing personalized responses. Exploring the settings will also help you tailor the bot's capabilities to suit your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.